All right, let's turn now to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca is in the Weather Center, and Tony, tracking a few spot showers here and there. There were some ominous dark clouds out there today.
Yeah, it has the look of rain and thunderstorms, but when you look at the Doppler radar, it's actually fairly quiet. So yeah, a spot shower or two here or there, but tell you what, if you have plans to be out now through the early evening hours, for the most part it looks okay. You see more in the way of cloud cover in Providence, but actually along the south shore and the beaches, the sun is shining. So sunshine right now, very location dependent. Take a peek, and for instance, we'll show you Newport with more in the way of sunshine, and you got temperatures that are in the upper 60s to lower 70s. I mean, it doesn't really feel like June temperature-wise. We should be, closer to 80. And then notice in Lincoln, for instance, the northern part of the state, where as Kayla had mentioned, it has that look of maybe a downpour or a storm, but there's really not much out there. So running some errands over the next several hours, for the most part, dry. Temperatures, upper 60s to around 70. Average high is about 78, 79 degrees. So running below average for June. In fact, we take a look at what's on the weather menu. I don't see any widespread rainouts. Now, Saturday was a great example of a rain day. It's just raining all day. I don't see that over the next several days. Perhaps a spot shower on Tuesday, if that, but I wouldn't cancel anything outdoors for Tuesday. If you earn a living working outdoors, for the most part, it's okay. Still a bit cooler than average over the next couple of days. No major storms. Each afternoon close to 70, but feeling more like summer late week in terms of temperature and humidity. Warmer temps, higher humidity starting Thursday, and that will extend into the weekend. Nothing excessive, but it will be warmer and muggier. So notice most of the concentrated cloud cover is inland, and along the south shore we've got more in the way of sunshine. Moisture across the Midwest and the Southeast. This stays away for the time being, but we're going to watch it towards the end of the week. Boy, talking about getting an early start on the hurricane season. Open Atlantic, Florida, the Caribbean, and right in here, Hurricane Center watching two systems, primarily this one. It's a tropical depression, more than likely on its way to becoming a tropical storm. You got winds now of 35 miles per hour. In fact, we can widen out the view, give you some better perspective. It is forecast to become a hurricane over the weekend somewhere near Puerto Rico in the Caribbean. We'll watch this very closely. Obviously, no concern to the U.S., at least in the short term. Forecast for this evening and overnight, it's basically quiet, dry and cool. Temperatures dropping to the lower 50s. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning with a mix of clouds and sunshine starting off in the upper 50s. During the afternoon, a cloud-sun mix, low 70s. And notice you don't see a lot of green indicating widespread rain, but especially north and west of Providence and out over the border in Connecticut late in the afternoon may see an isolated shower, but few and far between. And again, wouldn't cancel any outdoor activities. Tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, clear, settling back into the lower 50s. So for tomorrow morning, a mix of clouds and sunshine, basically dry. Look at your precipitation chances quite low. By 11 a.m., 68. And then during the afternoon hours, a cloud-sun mix, just a very small chance of an isolated shower. But again, we stress it's a mainly dry day. All right, 7-day forecast, a little milder on Wednesday, humidity and warmer Thursday and Friday. Temperatures somewhere between about 75 and 80. It's a warm and humid summery weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, but each day does come with a chance of at least some showers, so stay tuned. But at least it feels more like June. High temperatures upper 70s to around 80.